Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a video that I don't think I've done before, but if I have, it's been a very long time, or I've only done it once. But today I want to do a favorites video. You a murder me. You a murder me. Collection of like mommy stuff. Let's see, mommy stuff, hair and beauty, clothing, and just like miscellaneous stuff. So first, let's get into mommy stuff. All right, so the first thing I wanted to share was a play pen that I bought for Cam. So I'll insert a video of it because it's downstairs, but during this quarantine, Chris had to be moved to work from home. So, and I finished my maternity leave and started working outside the house. So to help him take care of Cam while he's at home and working, I wanted to give Cam I didn't want to put a gated area because our living room is kind of really open. So I wanted to get him a playpen, but I wanted to get like a really nice big playpen. So I found this one on Amazon, and when I ordered it, I was like, I hope it's as big as like they made it out to be, like in the pictures and the description. But when I got it, it was huge. Oh my gosh. I can fit in there, Chris can fit in there, Cam can fit in there, all his toys, and like we can all play, and it's like roomy and comfortable. As I said, I bought it off Amazon. Right now, I'll check to see if it's still available, because I did share it on my Instagram sometime before, and it got sold out. So I have to check if it's back in stock. If not, I'll put a similar one, because I did see a couple other vendors on Amazon that are selling the same thing. But I love this playpen. It's very light, so we're easily able to carry it from Chris's office to the living room throughout the week. As I said, it's really light. Like I can be carrying Cam and I can flip the playpen over and like drag it to another room. That's how light it is. And then it has two little door openings with the zip. So like sometimes what I'll do is like I'll create like a fort for Cam, and I'll wedge like the playpen between like the TV stand and the couch, and then I'll open the little like door, and then he can come out and play in the living room and then go back in there and come back out, you know what I mean? So he has a lot of freedom and stuff. So I just love the way the playpen is set up. Like I love it so much. So the next mommy thing I have is the Ola Baby, and I found this company on Amazon, and then I connected with them on Instagram. I was telling them that I love, like, first I bought their baby feeding spoons when Cam was able to start solid. So I reached out to them and said, like, I love your stuff. So they actually sent me a plate, a bowl, and a cup. And they're like, it's made out of silicone. And as I said, like, I was looking for like a feeding spoon for Cam on Amazon for when he started solids, and like wanted something like, you know, just like the perfect spoon for like a little baby. So I found this one, and as I said, this spoon, I love this spoon, and it comes two in a set. And when I first got it and first posted it on Instagram, everybody was like, I need to buy this spoon, I need to buy this spoon, I need to buy this spoon. So after I posted it, so many people bought it, and the company was just like, oh, we got, like, you know, we'd love to send you like stuff. So yeah, and everyone that has bought this spoon has told me that I love this spoon. So I'll insert clips and pictures and, you know, how their whole like collection looks. But as I said, I love how it's made out of silicone. It's safe, very flexible and bendy, and can suction onto the table and stuff like that. So it provides like easy feeding and cleanup during feeding of a baby. So yes, so thank you, Ola Baby. And as I said, you guys have to get their stuff. Like, it's so good. So the next category is beauty and hair. So first, for the beauty and hair, Duval, I actually have a straightener brush. You guys have seen me use that maybe it was sometime last year in the fall, around September, October, maybe October, November. But I love their beauty tools, and I actually got their straightener. So the last time, literally the last time I bought a straightener was probably the end of college, and that's a straightener I've had ever since then. So this is my first straightener in years, like probably 10 years This is my first straightener in 10 years. So as you can see, it's mad cute. Like, look at it. So cute. I love it. So cute. It goes all the way to 450 degrees, and yeah, so it's a good straightener. The plates are nice and smooth, so I love it. Love this. All right, so next I have foundation. So today's foundation, I'm actually wearing Bare Minerals foundation, and this is in the color Cinnamon 10.5. It's a stick foundation, and sometimes I do love stick foundations because they don't smear around and they don't melt, you know what I mean? So I really like this one with the Bare Minerals, and I have like the best brush that I bought to use with it when I put it on is like a very short-haired dense brush. It helps like smooth out, like so what I do is put a little bit of, you know, like dots of the foundation, and I take that brush and then just like buff it in. It's like a kabuki brush kind of like shape, but it's very dense, so it blends it out perfectly, looks airbrushed. As I said, I'm wearing it today, and like my face is so good. Like, I love this foundation. Like, I love this foundation. The next foundation that I've been using, so I use these like often, like one time I'll use this, next time I'll use this one, is the Tarte Face Tape foundation. So I love Tarte's Face Tape concealer. I literally have like 10 of them in my makeup drawer, but I love Tarte's concealer, Face Tape concealer. So with their foundation, I would believe they use the same type of formula with the concealer. The concealer is full coverage, creaseless, so I definitely wanted to get the Face Tape concealer when it came out, and I'm in the color Deep Honey 53H, and I like the pump of it too as well. So let me do a close-up, because I don't think I showed it close up. So yeah, those two are my two foundations that I've been using off and on, that I've been loving. Tory Burch. So I got this perfume from Inky and Lawrence. It's actually my Christmas gift from them, and I've never had any Tory Burch perfume, so when I got it, I was actually excited because as I said, I've never tried Tory Burch, so I'm always interested in trying new fragrances that could add to like my collection. Like Bulgari and Burberry, those are the two like my perfumes that I wear. I have the Bulgari Goldia and the Rose Essential, and then my Burberry one, and now I have this Tory Burch Relentless. And I don't know why, but like I have like a pink, I'll see if I can find a picture, because after I realized, oh, I have like a little pink collection going on here on my makeup table. Everything is like pink, but love this perfume, and anytime I wear it, especially at work and when I'm out, people always ask me, oh, what are you wearing, or what are you wearing? So anytime I wear this, people always ask, what am I wearing? Next with hair is Pattern. So I know you guys have heard me talk about and I've done a natural hair wash day with Pattern Beauty. So I love Pattern Beauty. It actually does work for my hair. I have 4C hair with a little mix of 4B hair, and Pattern just sent this to me, like, oh, I just got it in the mail like 2 days ago. But beautiful PR kit with all the cute stuff in it. This is like their, I think they called it like Pattern 2.0 launch, so their new products. We got edge control, and I did post a video on my Instagram using some of this stuff. So edge control, they have some combs in here. This one, and it comes in a cute little felt case, but a little pick here, oh, so nice. There's an edge brush, and all the brushes came in like a little velvet little case, but edge brush for your edges, and this is the fanciest edge brush I've ever held in my life. As I said, edge control, we got hydrating mist, revive and replenish, we got styling cream. I'm gonna do another natural hair video with like flat twist and let it dry and then like open it up as I did like last time. I tried that out for the first time and actually looked really good, so I'm gonna try it again, and I'm gonna use the Pattern styling cream gel. I used the gel today to put up my bun, my high puff. And as I said, I have a video on my Instagram. I should have it probably tomorrow or today, either today or tomorrow. But check it out on my Instagram. But I just did like a little puff routine with some of my favorite products, hair stuff. So this is a curl gel. And then they put a little bit of like hairpins in here and stuff. So thank you, Pattern. And I love Pattern. I've been using it, so I actually do like it. Not sponsored or anything. They just sent this to me. I'm not obligated to talk about it, but I do love Pattern. Kind of goes with health, but this is Goli Nutrition, and it's apple cider vinegar gummies. So you guys have probably heard about people taking apple cider vinegar to help with different types of health stuff like weight loss, appetite suppression, all that stuff. I'll list the other things that apple cider vinegar is good for. But the thing about apple cider vinegar is that it tastes horrible, like horrible. But I'm actually happy that people put it in gummies because it's easier to take and it's nice and sweet and doesn't have that horrible taste. But I did find this on Instagram. Not Instagram. I found this on Amazon. I always mix Amazon and Instagram, like the name. But I found this on Amazon because I was looking for some type of like appetite suppressant kind of like supplements that I can take that's natural. So I found these clothes and accessories. So today I'm actually wearing this one that says Savage. This is from Sophia. You guys have seen me focus. You guys have seen me wear like my name necklaces and stuff, and people still ask about it, about them when I wear them every single day. So I actually posted on my Instagram stories, but I love that it's affordable and then you can customize it. So these earrings I'm wearing today, they say Ify Yvonne on them, and they're like little hoopies. And then I customized these, and I wanted it to say Queen, and I didn't know that they were this big. So these are so cute. So I cannot wait to wear. Oh my gosh, look at those! Cannot wait to wear these. Now, actually, I might wear these when I go out today to go grocery shopping, because I did like it with like my high puff. But ooh, love these, love these, love these. So you can put any type of wording in here. So I put these ones that said Queen. Next I might insert the video because it might be easier to see than like me showing it like this. But this is like a bracelet, either a bracelet or an anklet, and it says Kamsi for my baby. And then I got earrings. These are all custom, so I had to say Kamsi. I have these gold earrings. These are so cute. And it says, well, it should be this way. They're like very tiny. Oh my gosh, couldn't even focus. It says African Queen. Queen. It says African Queen. So these are like little cute study earrings if you're not into the big earrings. And then they had these little heart earrings that are cute. So I like those. I like the little gem in the middle. It's loose. So when it moves, it like flickers, and then it makes it look like even more shiny. So that's so cute. I love that. And then this one is another necklace, and it's my last name, the first letter of my last name, M. So I like this one. So I got this one to do like layering with necklaces. So, but I do like that one. Yay! So cute. And then one of Chris's Father's Day gifts was from here, and it was a custom wood watch, and the face of the watch had a custom picture. So you can like upload a picture and they can put it on the watch and like engrave it on the watch face like inside. So it was actually one of the pictures I took of Chris and Kamsi when he was a couple days old, and I'll insert the picture and then the watch. A video of the watch because Chris is wearing it, so I have to go bug him to like take a video of it. But yeah, but I love it. It's so good. Great gift for like Dad's Father's Day, Christmas gifts, birthday gifts. Like it's a beautiful, 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 beautiful item. The next thing I have is my new prints of my my robes. So if you haven't seen, I've been posting on my Instagram, my personal Instagram, and my business Instagram. But we have new patterns of robes that are on the site. This is one of them. We have a pink print, blue print. We had a lion head male sleep pant that sold out the day that I posted it on the site. So those are coming back very soon. And then I have new patterns of PJs finally. And I think this set of prints for PJs is the best yet. This one, I swear this is the best one. Like when you guys see these patterns, stop. Like, oh, best one yet. So we have PJs coming. We have the lion head sleep pant coming. Definitely more bonnets are coming. So all this stuff is about to drop like any day now. So if you haven't signed up for notifications from my site, go on there and click on products that are sold out, and then you can just sign up for notification. And then when it drops, you get an email. So yeah, and then I told you guys a couple videos ago that I wanted to make the African print mask, but at wholesale for other businesses that were interested in selling it. So a lot of people, I had so many emails and so many messages asking if I can just sell them individually, like in a pack or something like that. So I agreed, and the first set will be up on the site today. So after you see this video, you can go check it out. But this is one of the prints that I have. It's the Kente print. Yeah. So yeah, so this is one of the prints. And then if you already have the Kente bonnet, I just took the pictures today before I started filming, but if you have the bonnet and then the mask, done. Like done. So speaking of bonnets and matching masks, I'm actually working on getting head wraps. Over the years, people have asked me so many times, can you make head wraps? So finally, I'm gonna have head wraps, and they're gonna have matching masks with them. So those should probably be here by next week or so. So look out for that. I'll probably announce it definitely on my Instagram, so just look out for that. And yeah, so I'll have it. So, but if you already have the Kente bonnet, you can also get the mask. So that, and you guys have seen me in vlogs and pictures. I wear this out a lot to run errands and stuff like that. So now that if I'm wearing this, I have I have my mask to match. So that is perfect. And the last thing was my stocks. So in March, when all this Corona stuff started happening, I said, you know, this is a good time to like finally like step my foot in a little bit into like stocks and stuff, and the stock market, and you know, all that stuff. So I actually was looking for something good for beginners, and I stumbled on the Robinhood app, and I actually been sharing, you know, what I've been using on my Instagram, the Robinhood app, for some time now, but I never talked about it in a video, so this was a good time to bring it up. But yeah, the Robinhood app is really good for beginners that want to get started in, like, you know, buying stocks and stuff. And I'll leave a link down below where you can use my link to sign up, and then you get a couple free stocks. So definitely check that out. I'm trying to see where my phone is. Yeah, so the Robinhood app. So ooh, I haven't even looked at my phone for the past how many hours. But let me open up my Robinhood app. And yeah, so you can, you know, look up stocks, look up information, research a little bit on the app and also on your own to see like what kind of stocks you want to get into. I have been doing research on my own, and then on the app it gives you some, you know, suggestions and some articles to read on to see like what you're interested in. But you're able to see, like, you know, how much your stocks made during the day when the stock market opens. Yeah, so far, like, I've made hundreds of dollars just by the few stocks the few companies that I invested in with the stocks. And, you know, you don't even have to have a lot of money if you want to get started. A lot of these stocks are like less than 50 bucks. Can invest in, you know, companies that are well known for just like $5, $10. You can buy as many shares as you want. One example is the Coty, C-O-T-Y brand that bought Kylie Cosmetics and also bought part of KKW Beauty. So I invested, I bought some stocks in that, and they've been doing very well. And then also, but the main thing, the reason why I started during this time, the corona, was that I wanted to buy in, get some stocks in some companies that that make vaccines. So, you know, a lot of companies that are making vaccines are on the race to who will put out the first vaccine to help with the, you know, the virus and stuff like that. So I actually invested in some companies, you know, that create vaccines, and they've been doing very well. So, you know, just things to think about. As I said, it's just like a good time to like get into it, because the stock market, you know, kind of went down during this time, but it's picking back up now. So as it's picking back up, it's a good time to like get into it and stuff like that. So as I said, I'll leave my link below so you can get access to some stocks for free. Other than that, anything else I wanted? Oh yeah, the lashes I'm wearing. So TaylorMade Jane, she's here on YouTube, and you most likely have seen her and her looks on Instagram, but she just actually launched a lash line. And I'm not like a lash person, but when I saw one of her videos where she announced like that she was creating a lash line, and I just discovered her on YouTube. I've seen her on Instagram, but I've just like seen her pictures, but I never really like watched the videos of her to like get to know her. But I just found her on YouTube. So the video that I just found was like a video or two before the video that she announced that she's launching her lash line. So when I saw her with her lashes, I don't know, maybe it was the way she put her makeup on that day and her face looked just like perfect, but it made me want to buy lashes. And I've never bought mink or designer lashes ever in my life. I either buy the stuff from the beauty supply store for like $1.99, or stuff from the grocery store, the what are those, the demi wispies, like $5.99 a pack. But these were definitely not in that price range. However, they're totally worth it. And I'm saying this, and I'm not a lash person, but these lashes, yeah, these are something else. And oh my gosh, like there's like, when I had them in my hand, they're like so like just, it felt like feathers, like they're so nice. So yeah, so TaylorMade Jane, congratulations on your launch. Another brand or company that's a black owned company to, you know, put your black dollars in. But yeah, I love her lashes. Like they're so good. They're so good. No, I'm not a lash person. Anyways, I think that's it. I didn't want to make this video too long, but make sure you check out all the products that I mentioned below. Let me know if you guys like this June favorites, and I'll do more. I'll try to do it every month, and I'll just mention, you know, a lot of like my favorite products in different genres and stuff like that. But please like this video. Please at least leave a comment. That reminds me that I'm actually doing monthly giveaways now on my Instagram, and I'll be featuring my followers like businesses like every Friday on my Instagram as well. So make sure you check out this post to get information on how to enter yourself in the monthly giveaway, and also how to get yourself to be featured, your business featured on my Instagram. Anything else I want to say? Yeah, so the prices for the giveaway, they can be anything from like a package of the latest products from my store, or all the products from my store, all my favorite beauty favorites, a package of like all my favorite beauty stuff like bath, hair, and makeup, or it can be like my favorite clothes, you know, or a gift card to my favorite stores. Like literally can be anything, but you know, a lot of like my favorite stuff. So make sure that you look at this post and read the caption to figure out how to get yourself in the giveaway and how to get yourself to be signed up to get featured on my Instagram. And other than that, now I'm definitely done, and I hope you guys liked that video. As I said, like this video, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you're one murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you whine, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my